Good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry we've been so quiet for a little while, but we've been extremely busy as we head towards autumn and winter. So today we've had this chap in from Guernsey, T6.1, it's a 2022 model, and he has visited us for our aftermarket, it's not ours, but the aftermarket LED DRL headlights for this particular vehicle. Been an unusual one for us as well because we've had to remove the bull bar to allow for the front bumper to come off. But now that the bumper's off and the bull bar's back on, we've got the super duper new LED headlights in there with both LED lamp or bulb upgrades as well. At the same time, we've also fitted our multifunction dash display. As you can see, this is a pretty tricked out van, and this customer's had a lot of work done to it already. But by fitting the aftermarket headlights and removing those candles in the night headlight that come from Volkswagen as factory fit, he's going to be much happier and it's going to look a lot cooler too. So the DRL headlights are based on a BMW style with the two angel eyes or half angel eyes. If Richard puts the indicator on now, the indicator is a dynamic or sweeping, and that again looks pretty cool, and that's in the lower section of the headlight. And then if he just puts the normal dipped beam on, this is for when you're driving at night, and this is a projector here. When he goes high beam, both the projectors come on and stay on, and that's for going down the country lanes or for flashing somebody to pull in or whatever. So that is it. And we've done loads of videos like this before, so we're not going to bore you with all of that bits and pieces. Now we're going to jump into the vehicle and show you the multifunction dash display. Okay, sat in the van and another one of our multifunction dash gadgets. Now ordinarily we fit these mostly to the motorhome, so the motorhome side of the business, and we'll fit these all the time. But this is a vehicle that is still going to make use of something like this, and the reason being is because it's quite a nice, neat, low profile device. Can offer you compass, can offer you your tilt and level sensors, you can offer you your speed display in kilometers per hour, miles per hour, can offer you your temperature, your voltage for your battery, and your height above sea level. So great bit of kit. During the video you'll see pictures of it anyway and how it operates, and it is on our websites if you want to check it out. So this vehicle, as I said, over from Guernsey. They're all coming over from everywhere at the moment. Don't forget to follow us on the socials, and all the link for the products that we fitted today in the bio, and have a good day.